Notice how they just slide in white identity, right? Now, the idea of a Judeo-Christian foundation of white identity is a bizarre amalgam of two exclusive beliefs. A Judeo-Christian identity is absolutely, by definition, not white identity. By definition, it is not. Look at the history of the church. Look at the history of the Catholic Church. Look at the history of Protestantism. Look at the billions of Christians all over planet Earth. And you tell me, are they all white? Are they? Because I don't think so. Judaism is a Middle Eastern religion. It began in Israel. Like, what are you talking about? How is a Judeo-Christian foundation white identity? Monotheistic religion is by its very nature non-racially based. It is bizarre to suggest that Judeo-Christian religion is biblical values are somehow about racial identity, about whiteness or something. Like, that is Axios fundamentally making a gigantic category error. But in order to throw the baby out with the bathwater, they basically have to call all of this racist. Meritocracy also apparently is about racism. You cannot simultaneously hold two beliefs, a belief one in meritocracy and two, a belief in white identitarianism. Those two things are not compatible. Because if you are for a meritocracy, that by definition means that the person who is most meritorious, regardless of color, is the person who should get the job, who should advance in society. Meritocracy and white identity, these two things, mutually exclusive. Biblical values, white identitarianism, mutually exclusive. Now, traditional gender roles, that is a part of Judeo-Christian foundations. That is a true part of biblical belief. It's also, traditional gender roles, a foundational part of science, because it happens to be the case that men and women are different, which is why dudes this morning are making fun of Zoran Mamdani for not being able to lift as much as a pregnant lady would. It's kind of funny.